Hey guys, welcome on our channel Daily Shouters, where we help you guys in making a better software purchasing decision. Today in this video, we will show you how you can watch American Netflix from anywhere. Let's find out. Netflix, a world-renowned streaming site, can be viewed in many countries around the world, such as the United States. However, anti-VPN measures were introduced by Netflix in 2014. When tens of thousands of users were found playing content outside the approved region, Netflix was asked by several movies and TV companies to take steps to comply with the distribution agreement. VPN shielding, however, is not a very complex procedure, and there are several ways of bypassing it. The most powerful and safe way to circumvent geographical constraints and censorship and watch Netflix is via VPN. Not all VPNs will unlock Netflix. In order to watch your favorite shows, you need to get well-known VPN apps such as NordVPN or Surfshark, and connect to the servers in the United States. Refresh the tab and open the Netflix webpage to sign in. It's almost 2 years since I have used NordVPN, and I have never come across any sort of issue. Also, their customer service is very responsive to resolve your query. The features which they offer are like strict no-logs policy, cybersec, double VPN, automatic kill switch, DNS leak protection, onion over VPN, and much more. The Best Buy link is provided in the description box below to avail extra discount. If you like the video, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you never miss the video whenever it's uploaded. That's it for today guys, we'll meet you in the next video, goodbye.